Masking up in Bibb County schools now mandatory until further notice. The district made the announcement this afternoon, just 1 week before students are set to return to the classroom. It's news that has you talking back on Facebook. Christopher says this is so wrong and considers it abuse to force kids to wear masks. Janet agrees. She wrote, "Those poor children, I feel so sorry for them. This is stupid." Stephanie commented she's glad they changed and updated the mask mandates, saying, "Let's all stay safe and live." And Monique is sending prayers for all kids and staff at every school. She says she was hoping this school year would be better, but she's worried about her son, who is asthmatic. Kalisha Moore tells you why the district says they made the decision and what some parents have to say about it.
As school is set to begin on Monday, parents should be checking off their list of their kids' school supplies. Backpacks, pencils, papers, and now in Bibb County, a mask.
We're going to ask students and staff to wear masks. I guess the correct way of saying that is we're requiring masks.
On Monday, Superintendent Curtis Jones announced the district is changing its plan for optional face masks and making them mandatory.
We were at one point down to less than 20 cases per 100,000 people. It started inching up. It went to the 30s, then it went to the 50s. Now it's over 150. And so that rate of increase that quickly is what gave us concern.
Parents, however, remain split on the decision. Sakita Warren says she wants her son to wear a mask at school.
It's good that they can have their masks on to keep them protected, even though the teachers are getting their shots and some of the older kids are getting theirs. It's still a good measurement of protection.
On the other hand, Trixie Hansen says in a statement to us she feels differently. She says, quote, "I feel that if your child is vaccinated, that they should not be required to wear a mask in school." She continues, "Children under 12 should socially distance in the classroom and stay home if sick, but no mask should have to be worn at school." Jones says the only way their policy would change is if the numbers drop again.
The situation improves. If we pull together and if we can get the numbers back down in our community, I won't hesitate to recommend to the Board of Education that we can let it go back to a lower standard.
In Macon, Kalisha Moore, 13 WMAZ News.
Now, this mandate applies to all Bibb students and staff regardless of their vaccination status. Superintendent Jones says they're continuing to follow the guidance of the CDC and the North Central Health District. If you need any additional information, visit 13WMAZ.com for updates.